Right guys, so we have a Honda Monkey bike. Look at this, it's a 25 reg. It's got quite a lot of options on it as well, this has. It's got a Scorpion exhaust system on it. It's got a tank bag on it there. It's got a little screen on it. Fog lamps on it. Pyramid mudguard extender. Little rear rack. It's done 124 miles, I think. Yeah, 124 miles. Got a rear bag on it. Yeah, it's a really nice thing. I'll fire it up for you. It's cold, it's freezing cold. Sounds awesome. Anything else guys, please let me know. Thanks for looking.